change the sunglass bin on an Evoque or Discovery Sport console, there's a simple process. First of all, remove the console from the headliner, as shown in a different video. Turn the console over. There's two clips of beer. Prise those open. The metal clip here, pull that to one side and then release this clip, and the rear cover should remove easily. Turn this over to remove the door. Prise this here, pulling the pivot pin out, and then unlocate the spring shown in there. Take your new kit. See the spring is positioned there. What you need to do with that is place the spring into that ridge so you can see it there. Locate the pivot. Locate the second pivot. Into the hole. Let's check that it works. Then reapply the new rear cover, which should have this hook feature on to be the latest level. And that's just the reversal of how you might need to move it laterally. These clips here and the clips at the front should be located, should fit, and then just make sure there's no overflush, and check a couple of times. Thank you.